If you paid even the slightest bit of attention while reading Shakespeare in freshman English class, you likely came across this set of pronouns and these set of suffixes. Perhaps you wondered, what do they mean, and how do I use them? Firstly, what are they? Basic overview is that thou is a pronoun specifically second person singular like you. Thee is the accusative form of thou, used when thou is the recipient of action, like how you say he gave to me, and not he gave to I. Thy and thine are possessives, with thy being used like your, like in thy house, and thine being equivalent to yours. S is the conjugation for that, used with thou. You don't say thou give, you say thou givest. Eth is unrelated to thou. It is the third person singular present conjugation used in early modern English. But let's get more in depth. Thou has existed in some form in English since Old English. Starting in the 1300s, thou was used with people that you were familiar with the pronoun you being reserved for addressing people you didn't know and people of a higher class than you. This may be a surprise considering that writing with thou in it is usually seen as fancier than regular speech. Thou fell out of common usage in the 1600s due to people viewing it as impolite, bringing with it the thy, thine, and s. Today, thou and s forms are only used in some northern dialects of England and Scotland. For the conjugations, it's not as simple as appending s to the verbs. The most common verbs, such as to be, all have irregular forms, with those being thou art in the present and wast and wert in the past tense, hast and hadst for to have, doest and didst for to do, thou shalt for shall, thou wilt for will, and thou must for must. And, as you can see, that is not conjugated at all. But what about eth? Eth is only used for third-person singular present actions. It is used when the pronouns he, she, or they, singular, are used today. For example, he runneth, or she goeth. That's about it. Now it can be a true Elizabethan peasant.